Welcome to Firethorne Apartments. We're going to do a walkthrough of apartment 1370, number G. And we walked into the living room, and obviously it's evening out, so we can't see the balcony outside. We have a nice spacious living room, wood-burning fireplace, and we're now looking back towards the entrance. The fancy phone on the wall, that's the intercom. But behind this door is an important item, and that's your full-size side-by-side washer dryer. Here we have an entry closet, and around the corner we have a generously sized space for dining. A white kitchen with stainless steel appliances, fridge, stove, dishwasher, and at the end that's a pantry with big shelves down at the end. Double sink that includes a disposal unit. And as we go through, you'll notice that the property is all sprinklered. Down the hall on the right is the first of two bathrooms. This is the first one, full-size tub and shower. And a little further down the hall, we have the linen closet, because you can never have too much space. And this is bedroom number 2. The closet is actually larger than the doors, so you've got a nice closet space in here. And as we go to the principal bedroom, central heat, central air. And this is a nice big room, certainly room for a king-size bed. And down at the end here is a large walk-in closet. And directly adjacent is your own private bath with shower. So that's 1370 Brook Street, unit number G. 2-bedroom, 2-bath with in-unit washer dryer, just off Randall and Main Street. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show you this apartment personally. Thanks. Have a great day.